Hey there! Are you looking for ways to earn free PayPal money quickly and easily? Well, you're in luck. We've compiled a list of 10 quick and simple methods to score free PayPal cash. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Method 1 is signing up for survey websites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie. These sites pay you for taking surveys and completing tasks. Method 2 is downloading apps like Ibotta and Shopkick, which pay you for shopping at participating stores. Method 3 is using cashback websites like Rakuten and Top Cashback when shopping online. These sites offer cashback rewards for purchases made through their links. Method 4 is becoming a product tester for companies like Nike and Reebok. You get paid and get free products to test. Method 5 is participating in freelance websites like Fiverr and Upwork. You can earn money by providing services like writing and graphic design. Method 6 is creating a YouTube channel or blog. Once you start to build up your following, you can earn money through sponsored content and ad revenue. Method 7 is referring your friends to websites and apps. Many companies offer referral bonuses for bringing in new users. Method 8 is selling your unused items on websites like eBay and Craigslist. You can also sell clothes on sites like Poshmark. Method 9 is taking advantage of sign-up bonuses for new bank accounts and credit cards. Just be sure to read the terms and conditions. Last but not least, Method 10 is participating in online focus group studies. Companies pay users to give feedback on their products and services. And there you have it. 10 quick and simple methods to score free PayPal cash. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips.